Hello guys and welcome to the channel TECHTAP. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable small taskbar icon in Windows 11. So for that you have to add an entry in Registry Editor. So for that click on search and type registry and open. Click yes to allow, and after that double click on H key current user, or you can also use this arrow to expand. Now expand software and then Microsoft. After that find Windows, which will be right here, and here expand current version. Now go to Explorer and here find advanced. You can expand this column to make it more visible and double click on advanced, right click on here and select DWORD 32-bit value. Name the value like this, taskbar with capital T, and after that SI, which is capital S and small I, and press enter. Now double click on it and make sure the value is as 0 and then close it up. After that we are going to use ViveTool, which is a third-party software to enable features on Windows. You can download it by using this link. I will leave it in the video's description. Click on that save file, open file, and after that extract it. I have already extracted it once before for activating new task manager of Windows 11. You can also go to our previous video for that. For right now you have to extract the folder and right click on it and select copy as path. After that click on search and type command prompt and run it as administrator. Here type cd and press Ctrl V to paste the link of that folder and press enter. And after that you have to type this command. Just copy and paste, and that's it. After pasting the command, make sure to restart your PC, which I'm going to do right now. And after restart I will show you the small taskbar icon. And here you can see that the small taskbar icons are enabled, and that's it. So guys, if you like the video, then like the video, share your videos, ideas and suggestions in comment, and share it with your friends and family. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.